My goal is to help you solve an Amazon problem or give you some training or suggestions. Dive in whenever you're ready.
I've been getting up to date with one account that seems to have been struggling for the past several months. Joined a club, which they sell natural air fresheners, and they are trying to position themselves as a high-end, luxurious type of brand and product. And for that, they are obviously priced quite higher than the competition. I would say some of the competitions are probably like 40 to 30% less than what they're offering. Now they are offering like in a pack, like pack variety and multi-packs. So that's one of the things that they're trying to differentiate themselves.
Let's go look at the listing.
All right, so this is the listing here.
Okay, I've looked at these before. They are familiar. We upgraded the main image quite a bit. It looks nice.
Yes, it's much better for sure.
Yeah. What's the challenge?
High ACOS and low sales. The only keywords that tend to be converting are the branded keywords. So they were pretty big on influencer marketing and going through like YouTube, but it looks like the owner stopped posting on YouTube for several months now, and that has affected their overall sales.
What is the owner doing that's keeping him from doing YouTube?
So it looks like they are also based out of he's like an influencer like for the Chinese audience in China, and it looks like they are, for some particular reason, like he stopped for the YouTube audience.
Tell the brand, hey, I met down with Stephen Pope. We started talking about influencers, talked about your social presence. We noticed that the last time you posted on YouTube was X date. We were wondering what is keeping you busy and preventing you from posting more.
Got it.
Okay. And that's a discovery question. Why do you think a discovery question will help you help this brand?
Just so I can understand more about what they've been doing in the past and what they're currently not doing outside of Amazon as well, because definitely there are customers who are coming from out of Amazon to look for their brand.
What kind of answer do you think he might give us?
He might give us they're probably busy doing some other stuff.
What happens to business owners as they start to scale?
They start to focus on other parts of business.
So we need to know which part of the business is his problem. Once you understand that, you can then help relieve it, right? What if he came back and said it was a financial issue? What if he came back and said he's trying to hire, right? Guess what MAG has a bunch of resources on? We've hired 540 people. Well, we could probably help with that. Right now, it's obviously out of scope, not in the contract, but it's a value add, right? If you can't grow the account, your job is to add value. The most valuable thing you can do is grow the account. If you've identified that we need influencers, you have only two options: either hire influencers or get the original influencer back on the influencer bandwagon.